God is saying to you today, for every tear drop, for every sleepless night, I have a blessing for you. You are coming out of this. I have sent a regiment of angels to clear the path for you. The pain you are feeling is coming to an end. Blessings, healing, miracles, solutions, and my divine favor is coming your way. Coming next month is going to be a month filled with good news, blessings, healing, miracle, and breakthroughs. This will be a month to remember. God is going to answer your prayer. It may sound odd, but the fastest way to get to a new and improved situation is to make peace with your current situation. By making lists of the most positive aspects you can find about your current situation, you then release your resistance to the improvements that are waiting for you. Type Amen if you believe.